Welcome arm wrestlers, Pradeep from Arm Wrestling News. Devon Larratt uploaded a video titled Levan Saginashvili vs Dave Chaffee Shutout Stakes. Let's see what shutout means. A play, game or inning in which the opposition is prevented from scoring. So apparently for you to win by staking on Levan, Levan needs to win all 6 rounds. But Dave Chaffee only needs to win 1 round for you to win a bet placed on him. Remember that this is just for people who want to stake on arm wrestlers to make some money. No rules have been changed for the actual match. Now why did Devon introduce these shutout stakes in this match for the first time? Is this an even bigger mismatch than Schoolboy vs Larry? We will find out. After this post, Michael Todd said that with these conditions, why would anyone bet on Levan? Because Levan could make small mistakes by lifting his elbow off the pad or even moving in a referee's grip. It is very difficult not to foul out with those strict rules. Michael too thought that Levan was a slight favorite, but now he thinks that even Dave Chaffee should be putting up his entire savings on himself. The answer to why would anyone bet on Levan is right there. Even with this crazy 6-round winning stipulation, people are still putting up more money on Levan. And talking about elbow fouls, I don't think in last 24 rounds Levan has fouled even once. Definitely he hasn't fouled out because his record is 24-0. But I don't remember him lifting his elbow even once. Correct me if I'm wrong because this statement is based off my memory, not my research. Sometimes you can get completely opposite advice from two topmost level pros. John Brzezinski has always advised Dave to grab Levan low by the wrist, apply a ton of side pressure and force a hook on Levan. Now Michael is advising Dave to top roll Levan. What do you guys think? Should Dave Chaffee try to hook or top roll Levan? Keeping in mind that all of Levan's losses in last 5-6 years came from matches when he was forced in a hook. I haven't seen anyone top roll Levan. Ryan Bowen also uploaded a video titled Has Devon Lost Faith in Dave Chaffee? Because of the shutout stakes that we talked about earlier and the fact that Devon thinks that Levan can 6-0 Dave Chaffee. First of all, Devon has always been saying that Levan has to be the favorite in this match. So now he just cannot put them as equals for staking. Devon has to value his words now. And second of all, this is not how staking works. Staking or betting is not about who is actually going to win a match. Surprisingly, it is also not about who Devon thinks is going to win the match. Staking is actually about who Devon thinks is going to be a favorite in the eyes of arm wrestling fans. So it is not about the athletes, it is not even about Devon. It is about what Devon thinks about us. And so far his decision has proved to be really good. Because people are still not betting enough money on Dave even after knowing that he needs to win only 1 round. So it is not about Devon not having faith in Chaffee. Devon could believe that Dave Chaffee is going to win 6-0 against Levan. But if us fans don't believe that, he would still have to put Levan as the favorite. Hope that clears some doubts. My personal opinion, I think Levan is going to win 6-0. I cannot see Dave Chaffee's wrist holding up to Levan's pronation. Derek Smith vs Tom Nelson, best of 5, right-handed, WAF rules. This match is also available for staking, but Derek Smith is currently sold out. I would have to believe that Derek Smith is the favorite in this match. No matter how strong cupping you have, there is something with these tall giants that you just simply cannot hook them. Devon beats Derek by top rolling him. John Brzezinski also beats Derek by top rolling him. It is very difficult to hook Derek Smith. You have to top roll him to beat him. I'm not sure if Tom Nelson's pronation is at that level. The comment section is waiting to hear your thoughts. Welcome my new YouTube members and supporters, Ryan Blue Bowen and Darth Silver. Support me on Patreon, give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who thinks like you. My name is Pradeep and I thank you so much for watching.